In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Artboard in Affinity Designer. By the end, you'll know the fastest, most reliable way to create a new artboard so you can organize your designs, prepare multiple layouts in one file, and keep your workflow tidy. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Give it a moment to load, and once the interface appears, make sure you can see your canvas and the main toolbar. If you already have a document open, you're good to go. If not, simply make sure a document is visible so the canvas area is active. This helps Affinity know where to place your artboard. Next, look to the toolbar along the left side of the screen. Find the Artboard tool. Its icon typically looks like a square within a square, signaling a frame or board. Click it to activate the tool. You'll know it's active when the top of your workspace shows the context toolbar with Artboard options. Activating the Artboard tool is important because it tells Affinity you want to manage work areas rather than shapes or paths. With the Artboard tool selected, glance up to the context toolbar at the top. You'll see a plus icon dedicated to adding a new artboard. Click that plus icon, and Affinity Designer will instantly create a new artboard for you. It may appear around existing content or next to your current canvas area, depending on your layout. You'll notice the new artboard outlined clearly on the canvas, and you'll also see it listed in the Layers panel, which makes it easy to keep track of multiple boards within the same document. That's all it takes. Open the app, choose the Artboard tool on the left, and hit the plus icon at the top. This method is quick, consistent, and perfect when you want a clean starting point for a new layout or when you're building a set of designs for different sizes in the same file. A helpful tip as you work: once the artboard is created, you can select it to see its bounding box and move it around your canvas, and you can duplicate the process to add more artboards as needed. Keeping each concept on its own artboard makes exporting and versioning much easier later. To recap, open Affinity Designer, click the Artboard tool on the left, then click the plus icon to add your artboard. That simple sequence sets up a flexible workspace you can expand as your project grows. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your next design with crisp, well-arranged artboards.